this look is cute and want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review by Atozwig, and big shout out to them for sending me this hair. It was really cute, and I was very excited to try this out. Y'all know it's really squishy when it's in the hairnet. Feels like fish every time. I don't know why I don't like that feeling, but that has nothing to do with the product. Anyway, so the wig, it's a closure. It said it was a lace front, but like I don't think so, because it's a little like U part. I could be wrong, but it looks like a closure. This is me just trying it on for a second to see what it looked like, and as you can see by my facial expression, I was surprised because I said, oh, I'm gonna have to do some work to this wig. The wig has 3 or 4 combs in the back. The wig also has an adjustable strap so that it fit my head perfectly, because y'all know I got a small little peanut head. It's 8 inches long and definitely true to length because, girl, this wig is short. Like shorter than my other one. I ordered a 10-inch on the last review and I thought it was too long and I really wanted to cut it into a bob. I just left it alone. And this time I was like, well, I really want a bob, so I got the 8 inches, but every company is different, so I say order more and you can always cut off less, because this was definitely true to size. And if you go too short and you don't know what to do with it, then you're kind of out of luck. So it came with a pre-plucked part. I went in and plucked some more anyway because I wanted to be a little bit more customized to my liking, but please don't over pluck because that's definitely possible with this wig. So I did a little bit more plucking where the part is and where the hairline is. Once I thought I had done enough plucking, I then went in and flat ironed the hair. I definitely suggest that you flat iron the hair, or you can curl it if you want, but whatever. I don't really wear it straight out the box just because I think it looks neater and like smoother and has like a finishing shine to it when you flat iron it, so that's what I chose to do. And also it helps make like the roots stay flat. So I'm just flat ironing it here, and I really feel like it looks like I don't know what I'm doing, partially because I don't. But after doing like 2 wig reviews on this channel already, I feel like I really gotten better this 3rd time around. So, you know, the more you practice, the better you get. So that's what I'm doing here. So after that, I just took this wax stick, which by the way, any products that I will use will be linked in the description box down below to where you can get it from the Amazon store. But I'm probably gonna leave my Amazon affiliate links in case any of you guys want to purchase the same products. So I'm taking the wax stick, which I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm putting it like next to the parting on the edges of the middle part, which I chose to stick with. I was gonna do a side part because I love side parts, but I was like, whatever, it's my first time doing this, I don't want to mess it up, so I chose to stick with a middle part. Anyway, I put the wax stick on the side of that, and then I comb it through with my fine tail comb. I only put it next to like the roots because it's for laying down any flyaways or short pieces of hair that I cut off when plucking if it didn't pull out like the full strand of hair from the root. So this basically ensures that your hair can be as flat as possible, which helps it to be more realistic in my opinion. And so after I combed that through a bit, I went in with a flat iron and I put it on the side, and I tried to get my hair as flat as possible that way because I currently don't have an electric hot comb, which I also should order ASAP Rocky, because that would definitely come in handy. But if you have a hot comb, use a hot comb, but I didn't. Or also, if you don't have a hot comb, and you don't want to use a flat iron, or you don't have a flat iron, you can also do the same thing with a wand curl. So that's my tip of the day for you. After that, I'm taking my handy dandy contour palette, and I'm not exactly sure what color my scalp is, to be honest. Your scalp's always a lighter color than your actual face, but I said I'm not taking no chances, so I dipped into the lighter shade where the bronze is technically, and into the darker shade for your like contouring your face. I dipped in between those two shades back and forth on the brush, and then I placed it inside the wig where the lace was. And I don't have lace tint, which also would be a good thing to order, because if you get lace tint, you can just spray it instead of doing all of this work instead, and that basically just ensures that underneath your cap looks more scalp like to the color of your head. And so if you don't have lace tint or whatever, you can use this too, which is an alternative. And I found that doing this helps to make the middle part, or any exposure of where it would look like it should be scalp, look way better, especially when you pair it with bleaching the knots. Okay, but however, if I may just admit, be honest, your girl didn't feel like doing it. But not only that, I wasn't sure that it would make a big difference because my part was so small. So this time around, I did not bleach the knots actually. Let me know in the comments down below if you can tell the difference, if it's that big of a difference and you think I should have bleached the knots. Then I'll go back and bleach it if it like looks like it would have been better if I bleached it. But I wasn't sure, and it looked kind of okay from where it was going, so I didn't bleach the knots. But I did tint the lace with this contour palette. Alright, so we're gonna call her Darcy because she's a darling. Super soft. She is a Remy human hair. It's so short, but I kind of like it. I like that the ends are longer too. I really look like a different girl. I love wigs. Ah! I don't know if it's because of the size of the wig or if it's because it's the closure, but she fits my head really well. I just threw it on. Y'all gonna be seeing me with this wig all the time. Bro, this should be a crime. Do you hold up? Y'all don't understand what I'm saying. Do you see this? No, I mean, like, honestly, do you see this? What? Yo. I'm gonna just let y'all know right now, they didn't pay me to say this. They didn't pay me to feel this way. All reactions are sole proprietor, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you already have not. Hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. If you did like this wig, well, you can purchase the same one with the link in the description box down below. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.
You know how the kids do. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah, I alley-oop when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in that like whoop.